Okay, today's subject is, do keto and paleo diets work? The answer is no, they do not work long term. They work short term, but you're really putting your health in serious danger by following a keto or paleo diet. Let me explain why. They work short term because when you eliminate complex carbohydrates and fruit from your diet, when you eliminate those things, now I'm talking only about complex carbohydrates, breads, rice, beans, quinoa, what else do we have? Potatoes, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. Now, those foods are complex carbohydrates, very difficult to digest. They require substantial amounts of energy to process them into simple sugars. And it makes them difficult for the body to assimilate, and they create toxic byproducts. In short, complex carbs will make you fat and unhealthy. So when you eliminate those, yes, you will get weight loss rather quickly. You'll see some nice weight loss results, okay, because you've eliminated that basically toxic food, all right, very difficult to digest, takes a long time, transit time through your body. They're also loaded with excitotoxins, spices, salts, sometimes oils, sometimes in breads and things like that. So yes, you will lose weight initially. But now remember, if you're on a keto or paleo diet, you're getting the majority of your calories from animal-based foods: eggs, meat, chicken, fish, dairy. These things will definitely cause you problems in the future. You're going to end up with high blood pressure, constipation, diabetes, heart disease, cancer. It's too much saturated fat in the system. You're going against the foods that we are designed for. We are not designed to eat other animals, okay? We're not designed that way. We are designed to eat plants, mainly fruits. So the keto and the paleo will not work long term. Yes, they work short term, but they do not work long term. You will eventually hit a wall. You may have nice results for a while, but then, like I say, and the sad thing is, I've seen people that are on these high-fat diets, they get heart attacks. They get the widowmaker. They feel pretty good, they look pretty good, and they die like that because their arteries are so clogged with saturated fats, and they get blockages. Then they got to go in for, open heart surgery and things like that. And remember, that's an extreme. Having them cut your chest open, opening the rib cage, giving you a new valve or artery, that's extreme. Going to a plant-based diet is not extreme at all. And matter of fact, you're going to love it once you get used to it, because your taste buds open up and you're going to love the food that you're eating. So remember, there's a big difference when they talk about carbohydrates. There's a huge difference between complex carbohydrates and simple carbohydrates like fruit. Fruit is a simple carbohydrate. It takes very, very little digestion. It's basically diffused into your cells. It's delivered to your cells with very little digestive energy wasted. Okay, now with complex carbs, it's another story. they have to be broken down into those simple sugars. And that's a process. It takes time, and it's sapping your energy. And your body is recognizing those complex cooked carbohydrates as a toxin. So now your body's is working overtime to get rid of these toxins. You're losing your energy. You don't feel like exercising. You feel tired. And it's a vicious cycle. So, you know, the best place to get your carbs is from fruit. And you have to learn to eat more fruit. You know, increase your volume so you can get the calories that you need. But like I say, if you're thought about a keto or paleo, or you're doing it now, I'm telling you the truth, you're heading for a wall. You're going to hit a wall eventually. The other thing all these animal-based foods do, they create uric acid. Uric acid crystals get in your joints, okay? They get in your shoulder joint, your knee joint, your hip joint, your elbow joint, and your joints start to become very stiff. You ever see people, you know, older people, they walk like they're very stiff, right? It's because they've been on the standard American diet, eating a lot of meat, a lot of animal-based products. So, just want to let you all know, because that's the truth of the matter. So, the best diet is high carbohydrates. But high carbohydrates from what source? Fruit. Fruit, numero uno food on planet Earth for us humans, okay? That's the way we were created. You can't change that. Everybody, you know, if I believe in creation, okay, I believe we were designed, and we were designed to eat a certain type of food. And that food is fruits and vegetables, leafy greens, vegetables, some nuts and seeds, some avocados, and that's it. That's basically it. And people say, oh, that's kind of boring. But that's only because they only know of, you know, apples, bananas, and oranges, or grapes. They don't know how many different types of fruit are out there. So many, and so many good ones. So even if you just eat the fruit that's in season and eat enough volume, you're going to get your calories. And always remember, bananas are your staple. You can always throw 5, 10 bananas in the blender, and you're going to get a lot of calories. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And while you're here, browse around, check out some other videos. All the best, and to your health. Take care.